Let's know more about M2Tank CNC key cutting machine. Mobile phone controls this machine. We can put cutters into these holes. The other side is to put probes. Handle is on the back of cap. The weight is only 13 kilos. It is very portable. How many types of keys can be cut by this machine? How many types for house keys? Standard key, inner groove key, inner and outer groove keys, dimple key, multi-point key, Mul-T-lock. Let's go watch vehicle keys. Flat key, 2 tracks inner groove, and also plastic key. 4 tracks inner groove key, sided groove 2 tracks key, sided groove 4 tracks key, HU16 to T6 tracks key, latest Honda keys, round bar key for Ford, crucifix key for Citroen, except for FO21. All other keys only need 1 standard clamp. Let's go watch functions. First, key duplication. Second, cut keys by camera. Select the picture that customer sent. Adjust the key size and then move the point to every bidding. At last, click OK. The third, all keys lost. Input the lock number into the machine and get the key biddings, and then get a new key. The fourth, find bidding. Find key bidding of ignition, lock. The fifth, input the key bidding from Lishy decoder. The sixth, HU160 to key can be calculated automatically via Lishy decoder. Wow! Seventh, DIY new key. Select the key type that you want, and then input the size that you measured. If all is ready, it will have a new key that you need. The eighth, modify the key blank. If you want to change the key blank width, length, or cut a groove, all is okay. The ninth, use a piece of copper to get a piece of key blank. Wow! FO21 key. All angles rotate automatically while cutting. More convenient. Let's get our service. We have video tutorials, online technique support, updating for free, 2 years warranty,